true, especially in the world of hair care, then it probably is. Inaccurate, Your Honor. But then there's some of y'all out here that are straight up lying, and you should be ashamed of yourself.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're about to get a little petty, but it's necessary. Okay, have y'all noticed how this hair growth videos have gotten out of control? Everything nowadays promotes hair growth, makes your hair grow like crazy. Your hair will never stop growing if you use this recipe. And if it was that easy to grow hair, how come we all don't have hair down our backs? How come the people that are creating these videos don't have hair down their backs? How come their hair seemingly have stopped growing? Those are the questions that we need answered to. And I really want to create this video because A, I want to be a little petty because someone ticked me off and I don't like it. But two, because I want you to be aware as a viewer, as a consumer, that a lot of these creators are lying to you. A lot of these brands are lying to you. And you need to be intentional and mindful as to where you're putting your money. If you want to grow hair, honestly, we need to start from within. I always say this. What are you eating? What's causing inflammation on your scalp? What can you actually eat to help you be as healthy as possible so that you can promote hair growth, so that you can actually grow hair? Because if your hair is not growing, something is wrong internally. And I hate to be out here preaching to you, girl, but it really starts from within. And of course, there are things that we can do on the outside to retain the growth that we're getting from the follicle level. All these things that we're doing on the outside to promote hair growth, a lot of them are not working. And a lot of these brands and creators are lying to you. And I'm about to prove it to you. I'm about to show you. I came with receipts today, girl. As a creator, and I've been out here for a while, there are little things that truly bother me. But on the top of that list is when people take my content, take my videos, take my pictures, and A, does not give me credit, but two, B, use it outside of the way that it was intended to. So what do I mean by that? If a brand takes my video, crop it, edit it, and use it as a way to promote either their hairline or their straighteners or whatever, that's not how I intended the video to be used. But you are straight up lying to the good people about me using my likeness, using my hair to promote your product when I've never used your product. There's nothing that bothers me more in these internet streets. And you know what's even worse? For me, this one just hurts my heart. Is when another creator take my work without giving me credit, or take my work and use it the same way as a brand would use it. Use it as a way to mislead the good people on the internet. There's nothing that kills me. As a creator, I always have a sensitive spot in my heart for other creators. But then there's some of y'all out here that are straight up lying, and you should be ashamed of yourself. So let's get into these receipts, shall we? Because I told you today I'm about to be a little petty. Let's get into the first example. We are looking at Shannon Cruz. That is right. If you follow me, then you know my name is not Shannon. My name is Jenn Jackson. But that day I woke up as Shannon Cruz. And Shannon apparently has alopecia, okay? And the serum has helped her a lot. It helped her to regrow her hair. I can tell you that A, I'm not Shannon, and B, these two pictures, the before and after, were taken like 4 years apart. This one didn't have any dates, but literally you can see how young, first of all, I look in the first picture. That was when I was a pretty young thing. Anyways, let's not get sidetracked. This company, this brand, went and took my pictures, both of them, put this whole collage. I did not create. This whole collage they created with the before and after, saying that I had alopecia. I can confirm I've never had alopecia. I had some traction alopecia right in the front of my hair, which I posted all about, cried all over the internet about, but it was literally from a frontal that was too tight that took my hair out. Again, these braids, these frontals, these protective styles, sometimes are not protective, but I digress. But I've never had alopecia to the point that I needed help by using a serum. So they're using my pictures, my likeness, my hair to promote their products. Of course, they're not trying to work with me as a creator. They're not sending me this product for me to try out and give my honest review. No, they are stealing my picture, putting it on their website. And the part that kills me is that there's so little we can do about this as creators. A lot of us complain about this, and I see it all the time. And when I went to these brand website, there's so many other influencers' pictures that they had stolen and they were using in misleading ways. And people are falling for it. Oh my God, when you look at this picture, amazing growth. Not considering shrinkage, first of all, because in the first picture, if you take my hair, pull it down, I'm pretty sure my hair was down to like my eye level. So it would have technically been, I don't know, 4 to 5 inches of growth. But with shrinkage and the next picture with me pulling my hair, it looks like it's some extreme growth. How could you not buy this serum, this hair growth promise in a bottle? How could you not, especially if you're trying to grow your hair? How could you not fall for that? Now you're gonna buy this product from this company, get absolutely no result, and you're probably gonna say, it just didn't work for me. Meanwhile, it probably doesn't work for anybody. And the picture that they're using to advertise this is fraudulent. It makes my blood boil. It really does. And a lot of people fall victims to this before and after. And a lot of the time, it's fake. These companies really just steal pictures, do whatever they want to do. And like I said, there's so little we as creators can do about it. Either I can hire a lawyer to take care of all of this, which is going to cost me a lot of money that I don't have. Or B, report it to the site manager. They're the one who's doing all the photoshopping anyway. Beware, girl, of these before and afters, especially when it looks like it's too good to be true. If it looks like it's too good to be true, especially in the world of hair care, then it probably is. Moving on to Exhibit B. And this one hurts me. It really hurts me in my heart because this is another creator on this platform creating content around hair growth recipes, hair care, etc. that is stealing people pictures to promote their videos. If your recipe was so effective, sis, would you really need to steal somebody else's picture to promote your stuff? Your result will speak for themselves. Your hair will never stop growing. How come your hair has stopped? So, what are we looking at here? So first of all, the before picture is me, okay? That was when I big chopped back in 2016. That 2020 that is plastered all over my face? Inaccurate, Your Honor. The lie detector said that was a lie. This picture was taken in 2016. I've posted it in 2016. It's on my platform from 2016. So you mean this girl went all the way back to take my picture, put it on her thumbnail, and say that it was taken in 2020. Yes, girl, that's what she did. And you see this arrow pointing to her hair, and I'm assuming that is her hair. At this point, she can't be trusted. She's implying that the hair in the after is 2 years of hair growth. Now, how fast would your hair be growing for you to get all that hair in 2 years? Of course, you're falling victim for that. 296,000 people have clicked on this video to get their hopes and dreams taken and snatched away from them. Because, okay, now it's not clove that works. What is it? What works? Of course, you're gonna click and find out how you can grow all that hair in 2 years. Meanwhile, mine before was taken in 2016, okay? Like, tell me that's not fraudulent. You have absolutely no integrity as a person. Why are you lying to the good people on Beyonce's internet so that you can get views on your videos? It really must be worth it. It really must be worth it. How can you sleep at night knowing that is how you're misleading people? As if the first video wasn't bad enough, okay? Sis went and posted a second video. That is right. And guess what? The same picture, my picture, it was so successful the first time. Why wouldn't you do it again? It's ridiculous, the things that's out there. And I really want you to be aware because these videos are fraudulent. These before and afters are not true. Why would you have to use somebody else's picture if your recipe was so effective? That is my question. That's what I need answers to. So of course she went and used this different video, and I think she got 19,000 views on that one at the time when I took the screenshots. And now mind you, that was months ago. And her entire channel is about thumbnails that are like this. Grow your hair like this. It will never stop growing like this. Da 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 like this. And it's ridiculous. I just don't know how you sleep at night. I really don't. The reason why I even found out about this is because one of my subscribers saw the video and sent it to me and was like, girl, I don't know if that's you, but it appears that it's your picture. And I was like, And I had to go and investigate and take screenshots and stuff, you know, because I knew Petty Jenn was gonna pop out. This is why I just have no faith in these recipes, because if they work, someone wouldn't have to resolve to tactics like this to A, sell it to you, and B, get a bunch of views on their videos. Her results will speak for themselves. And she has beautiful hair. Why don't you use your own before and after? Why do you have to resort to tactics like this? As I said, a subscriber of mine sent me the videos, which is why I became aware. But I posted about it on my Instagram stories, and I think a few people reached out to her or whatever. And so did I. And let me tell you something, if you're using my stuff fraudulently, best believe I'm gonna report you, okay? I have no shame in the game. There's nothing that bothers me more when people use your content without giving you credit in a different way that it was intended to, or in a way to lie to people on the internet. There's nothing that bothers me more. And I think someone else came back to me and said that they reached out to her and was like, what you're doing is wrong. And she blocked them. I don't think there's anything worse when you get called out about doing something, and instead of kind of taking ownership and accountability, you decide to block the people, use a different picture, and keep it moving. Hello? Where is your integrity? Who raised you? Why are you like this? And this is what you need to do to get views on YouTube. Why don't you create great content so that you can get views on YouTube instead of fraudulently trying to bamboozle people into these videos? And like, why are people falling for this? That's what kills me. All her videos got millions of views. Millions. That really shows you where we are as Black women, as a population, in terms of wanting to grow our hair out so badly. When we see these videos, we can't help but click. We can't help but watch. We can't help but trying these recipes, because maybe that's the one thing that's really gonna get my hair growing. Maybe that's the one recipe I'm missing. That's the one ingredient that's really gonna give me extreme hair growth. We always feel like we're lacking this one thing, this one miracle drop, miracle growth that's going to force our hair to grow out of our scalp. Meanwhile, what are you eating? How stressed are you? Are you drinking water? Are you minding your business? Are you exercising? All of the things that are actually going to help us from the inside out and help the whole body on a wholesome level. We don't want to do that. We want the product in a bottle. We want that recipe that's going to grow our hair very quickly. A year or two, you want hair down your back. And if your hair is not growing, something is wrong internally, girl. Y'all got my blood boiling today. I feel like we need to expose these people so that perhaps they learn and do better, but also so that you, the audience, is aware, because a lot of these videos that are talking about extreme hair growth, extreme this and that, anything that has the word extreme in it kind of makes me cringe. Automatically, I'm like, extreme how? What do you need to do? Again, if you could grow hair at some exponential level, then a lot of us would have hair down our backs, because a lot of us want long hair. Stop throwing money at your scalp. Stop throwing money at your hair. Do better hair practices. Consistently take care of your hair to retain your growth. And I really feel like we need to start properly defining these terms, because everything promotes growth. And I feel like that in itself is already misleading, because it's not about promoting growth. It really is about retaining length. This product is going to help you retain your length. This product is going to lubricate your hair so that you get less breakage. This product is going to hydrate your hair. But all these wording that these companies and creators use about promoting growth, that's what sucks us in. Oh, it's going to help my hair grow. My hair will never stop growing. My hair is actually going to grow. But the biggest issue is that your hair is growing but breaking at the same time. And if you don't have good hair practices, your hair is probably breaking at a faster rate than it is growing. Okay, that's enough for me for today. I think I said enough. But it really just makes me so mad when I see people use tactics like that, when I see brand do these things. Even worse when creators do it. And she's a Black creator. You know? Do better. You know better. You must know better. You must. And all of your videos just straight up lying to people like that. I'm just going to wrap it up right now, because I feel like I can go on all night about this. Let me know your thoughts down below. Be careful at all of these before and afters online. Not everyone can be trusted. Not every brand can be trusted. And these growth oils are popping out of nowhere because it's lucrative. Because people know they're going to make a lot of money by selling you a dream. So be careful, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts down below. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye, girl.